First, we will start by adding our app part to our page. Once the app part has been added to our page, we can adjust its width, height, and title if needed. Your organization might have a specific title for your employee recognition initiative. If that is the case, you can change the title here. The app part dimensions are set by default to 600 pixels wide by 400 pixels wide. Now we will nominate several employees, but keep in mind that in this scenario, no approval workflow is required. After the nominations, we will refresh the page and see the employees nominated and their acknowledged achievements. Now, back at your app homepage, we'll have a look at the workflow settings. You can see here that by default, no workflow is required, which is why in our previous example, all nominated employees showed up immediately in our app part. In contrast, when you change the setting to approval required and assign an approver, no employee nominations will show in our app part until approved. So we will change this setting and demonstrate the workflow. After we change our workflow settings by adding an approver, we'll head back over to our page and nominate another employee. Now a notification email will be sent to the approver. This email will show the nominee's name, achievement, and achievement details. The link at the bottom will take the approver to the page which will allow them to approve or reject the nominee. In this case, we will approve the nominee and click Save. Now back at our page, you can see that the employee has been added to the employee rotator. It's important to note that employees will only show for 30 days from their approval date. In other words, the employee nomination will expire and be removed from the image rotator in 30 days. Next, we will add a new achievement to our drop-down list by heading back to our app homepage and navigating to this list. From here, simply add a new item and save. For reporting and gathering data for metrics, you can navigate to the employee dashboard. From here, you can sort and filter on any column. In addition, you can export this list to Excel for further analysis. Now, let's look at our second available app part. As before, we will edit our page and insert a new app part, this time selecting Employee Recognition 2. After adding the app part, a simple tile will appear on the page. Clicking this tile will take you to the main user interface. From this page, you can view past nominees and nominate new users. The workflow previously shown still works with this app part and page. In addition, nominees will only appear on this page for 30 days.